Oh my goodness, hello everybody, what is happening? Look what we have. We have the new Dasung. Dasung has been in the game, let's get that out of there, that's really reflective. Dasung's been in the game forever. And now they have their second Link device. The Dasung Link came out way back when, and this is the second unit. So let's check out what all they give us in this little thing here. This is relevant with the 13.3 inch color monitor. Has nothing to do with this, but it looks like, oh, they're giving you a little bit of a profile of their devices. There it is, right there. Sweet. So this is the Link. If you guys don't know, the Link is not a standalone device. It utilizes another device to mirror it, and if it gets too far away from the other device, then it stops working. It's not a standalone, so it doesn't have an operating system or anything like that. You know what I really like? The inside of the envelope says Dasung on it. You know what I mean? Look at that. That's so cool. Also, you see you have this little U cable. It's USB, but it's bent. This looks like it says it's a super power bank, but let's just crack this open because there's a lot of stuff that actually came with this unit. Well, that took about 32 seconds to get that open, but let's just continue here. Alright, so we have oh look, it's the rings! And look, I still have the rings from the PPI E Ink. So we have the magnetic rings that will connect this to the unit of your choice. Let's get that out there. All right. Holy moly, that is in there. Okay, anything else in there? Nope, doesn't look like it. You have some light information, and let us see what this is. All right. So there is the super power bank. Oh man. You know what? That's kind of a cool thing to have regardless. Look at that. Actually, it would go like that to the back of to the bottom of your phone. Will show you roughly using a bigme, but it would go something like that. So you'd have the superpower bank at the back. This is a 5,000 milliamp battery, which means it can cycle your phone 1 to 2 times based off how big your battery is. Now let's look at the actual Link. This thing is super light because, again, it's not really meant to be a standalone device with a whole bunch of kind of heavy features on it. It is simply just to mirror your device that you link it to. Come on, let's get out of there. All right, Dasung. Dasung. Oh, there's nothing in there. I guess there doesn't need to be anything in there. Dasung Link. Here it is. Let's open this up. Holy moly, man. Look at that. Oh, I hate taking these off. Oh, actually, it says something before we get going here. Let's just catch some light. So we have switch image mode, increase contrast, decrease contrast, and clear ghosting. And at the top, you have the front light and the power button. I don't like taking these off. I really don't. I do and I don't. Wow, look at that. E-ink phone monitor. That is technically correct. It is a phone monitor, although it is a secondary screen. Look at this, man. This is very nice. This baby blue, powder blue they're utilizing. This thing looks and feels almost as if it could be a standalone smartphone. You know what I would have liked to see? Dasung make a smartphone with 3 or 4 different cameras at the back utilizing this bump. That would be awesome. But we're just going to do a first time boot up and see what we can see as far as we can go before getting into the full review. So again, there's nothing to really show because this is completely reliant on another unit. You'll see here you have to do casting to move this to get it to do anything, but let's just look at the overall styling really quick here. This is the battery that we had shown you a second ago, and it already has a magnetic snap. If the back of your phone that you want to use it for doesn't have a magnetic snap, of course you can use the rings that they give you in order to put it on there. This thing automatically turns off, it says, if it doesn't have any sort of Bluetooth connection within 3 minutes, but that's fine. We will show you that in the full review. So far, this thing is a very high quality built piece. It's built with this amazing aluminum shell. It's got this nice pearl flake in there. I don't know what's going on in the back here yet. I don't know why that's reflective. It's got piano. I don't know if that's a screen to any degree. This is going to be very interesting to... Oh, look, some of the buttons do refresh and contrast and everything. Oh, we can show you that. There we go. Here, we can show you some contrast. So that's probably what that warning screen is for as well. So you can remove a lot of the blacks and the grays and vice versa. You can also change the modes from auto mode, text mode, video mode. We're going to show you this all in the review video. Of course, we'll be playing some videos. We'll see how fast they can refresh. Remember, Dasung is one of the fastest refreshing companies in the game. That's really the sole purpose of where they came from as a brand, was that they have the fastest refresh. They were the guys when it came to the highest amount of hertz, etc. So we will get into all this in the full review, but for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the latest Dasung Link, the 6.7-inch phone that isn't a phone, that has no phone features, but sure does look like a phone.